So good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone. So I'm going to present our UI. This is our UI, which is the Water District Level 1. So we're going to test every entities or navigation of our system. So first, we're going to see what's inside in our dashboard. So this is our dashboard. So we have the profile consumers, of staff, the readers, water meters, peers, total bills, payments, and pending bills, total revenue. So in here we're going to see this is the reports of every um, process of the water bill or water consumption using the yeah. So we're going to look in our consumers. So first we're going to have the consumers. So now consumers, you can add the consumer. So sequences here, this is the full details of the consumer inside this holding, address, contact number, and options. So to start, we're going to perform the add consumer. To add a consumer, register a consumer. So assuming this consumer no water meter. So at the same time, we're going to perform the installation for the water meter. So we're going to perform this. So here, this is what we need for the registration of our consumer. So we're going to save the consumer. So here, as you can see here, it's been added. So this is our consumer. So we're going to see what's uh, inside with our database. So see, so here's Trina has been added to our database. So now we're going to have so assuming Trina has no water meter, so we're going to um, listed Trina as the water installation meter. So we're going to we have also the here the water meters. So in here by using the well adding the consumer at the same time we're going to add and view water meter. So here I'm just going to click so here clean not rolling so is already here. Now consumer name. So we're going to select the status. So here inactive, active or maintenance. So we're going to have the active. So we're going to set the installation here. So install water meter. So as you can see, this is water meter has been successfully added. So I'm going to back to this. So here as you can see, Trina has been added. So we're going to see in our database if Trina has been added. So now water meter. So as you can see here, Trina here, this is the ID, water meter ID. So the consumer ID. So Trina has been added. So in the installation day and also created when we created the installation. So here we can also add the staff. So on our staff is also the important matter to add the staff. So on what we call the going to process all the um, what's inside the water district. So we're going see atin na yung number, and we're going to select rule if it's staff, manager, or administrator. So we're going to see the manager. So thing has been added. So we're going to see in our database if thing has been added. So we're going to see what's inside the stuff. As you can see here, it has been added also in our database. And we're going to see the recipe here. So in our water meter readers, we can see water meter readers. We can also add the water meter readers, which also be have the location or site that the readers will be focused on reading the water meter. So, for example, here we get to see just discussing. So running the manuals ginamit is in the list of the water meter reader. So we're going to see if this also added in our database. The reader. So as you can see here, under the manual, nakasunod, so has been created. Okay, so let's go for the rest. So same as the water meters, you can also add or edit the no, the water meter. So you can edit this, and also at the same time, we can also delete. No? Here we can delete. Okay, so I will show you want to delete this one. Yes. So we're going to see if the deleted water meter. So here we have only one inserted name here. Gusto kong tingog. Minay.
Google Scan.
So here we're going to add the meter reading. So we're going to have the manual as the meter reader. So water meter. So in our water meter, we're going to select Prina. So we're going to select also the stuff. So it's uh, the one will take the water meter read. So we're going to see the reading value of metering. So here, this is the value of water consumption. There's also the reading date has been made. So the staff, the assigned staff that process the reading by every reading. So the DV Mano is the one who read the water meter. So the consumer is the trainer. So we're going to see in our meter readings in database, it's added. So as you can see here, it's been added. So we only have to display the reading ID, water meter ID, meter reader ID, and staff ID. The reading value and created that. So that's the overall use of the meter reading. So this is actually not the approach of the meter readings. So since we don't have yet developed the app, so the purpose of using the app, when the application is going to capture the water meter. So the application we're going to automatically uh, subtotal or total the overall consumption of the consumer. So after that, they will send it to WAVE, which is the administration. When sending it to administration, they're going to display here, automatically display here the overall uh, process of the consumer. So assuming we're going to see uh, um, the real-time process of the water meter. Same also with the water meters. No, I think the water meters yeah, the water meters will individually add by the admin. So after with also the consumers. The consumers, uh, since we don't have it created the um, way for consumers. So assuming this the admin, we're going to all do the adding of the consumer. So in our system approach, fully system approach is we're going to have the with also the users. So after users um, um, engaging with our system, so you're going to have the add your full name, address, contact number, and etc. etc. So after creating that, assuming that they created their account, uh, automatically the account will do send here and display their details here. That's the use also of the users. So here also we're going to see in our bills. So we're going to generate bills. So we're going to have the Trina. Select staff. Select consumer. So the amount was the, for example, we're going to have the 300. Um, so, so, here I'm going to see the billing management. So it will also put in status the consumer overdue. This is where we're going to see the overdue. And also we can also update and edit the following. So we need to have the pending. So you can see here, let's see pending. So we can see also the cancel. So this is the cancel. So we're going to have the pay. This is the pay. So we're going to see if our in our reels string if it's string added in our database. So let's see. So as you can see here, we have also the deal ID, reading ID, stock ID, consumer, etc. etc. So Trina has been added. And we're going to perform the delete also. See, can delete. So as you can see, there's a warning. This we're going to delete the bill. So it's going to delete the bill. So that's okay. Again, to setting the database if it's deleted. So let's click. Okay, our database is clean as clean. So there's no register. So now here we've also added the quick action. So I think we're going to we discuss well. So let's have this first. Going to have this one. So you can see, we're going to see in our dashboard. So in our dashboard, we have total consumers at 3 staff. So let's see if this reflected in our. So as you can see here, we have also this little red dot here that says 4. So we have also the 4 staff for consumer 1, 2, 3, 4. So also with 3 staff. So we have 3 staff. 1, 2, 3. So in our meter readers, we have 2. Meter meters, we have 1. You know, bills, we have 1. So that's all. Yeah. Okay. I think that's all. Thank you for joining, guys.